Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the previous class I discussed about up to this 10 minus 5 5 and then it is 5.24 by 8 you will get the 0.65. If you convert into percentage, this is 65%. Less than 5% only we have to neglect, not 65%. Now we know the alpha value. Then what we have to calculate? Alpha calculated. Then H plus An concentration. H plus An concentration is equal to what is that? C alpha. Because when you dissociate H plus An concentration, what you have to write? C alpha. Then C is how much? 10 power minus 2 concentration. Alpha value is how much? 65 into 10 power minus 2. This can be represented as 65 into 10 power minus 2. Then totally this is 65 into 10 power minus 4, but this representation is not good because we know that scientific notation. In scientific notation this value should be 1 to 9.9. Therefore 6.5 into 10 power minus 3. This is H plus An concentration. When you write this is H plus An concentration, then immediately you can calculate the OH minus N concentration also. Therefore OH minus N concentration is equal to Kw by H plus N concentration, because this already we know. H plus N concentration into OH minus N concentration is equal to Kw. Kw value how much? That is 10 power minus 14. Therefore 10 power minus 14 by this OH minus N H plus N constant 6.5 into 10 power minus 3. You calculate this value and get the pOH also. Now I will calculate the H plus N concentration. So pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus N concentration, that equal to negative logarithm into 6.5 into 10 power minus 3. You do this one. And next one, negative logarithm of 6.5 into 10, these are A into B form is there, then plus minus log of 10 power minus 3, that equal to this 6.5 log value. Already I told you up to 5 maximum cases involved, but here 6.5 also came. Then you can see the logarithm table. Roughly, approximately I am writing. Log 5 value is 0.7. It means 0.6991. Here 5 completed 5.5 and 6 is 6.5, mean it goes nearly 0. It is minus symbol is there, minus 0.8219. Roughly I am writing here some value. Otherwise 0.8 also write, no problem. And this will be minus into minus. That is plus 3. Subtract this value, then you will get the answer. So approximately I am taking these values are roughly considering, and these two only if you want to consider mean 3 minus 0.82 like this. Remaining value you can neglect also, no problem. Then here how much? 10 minus 2, 8. Then this is 1, this is 2. Nearly 2.18 is the pH. When you know the pH, automatically we can calculate the pOH. pOH is equal to 14 minus pH. Then 14 minus 2.18. Then here 14, this is 0.218. Then this is 2. Then this is again 9 minus 1, 8. Okay. How much then? 12? 14 minus 12. Like this also we can calculate. Then you will get the answer. If I did any mistake, you can calculate here. That is the answer. And this is also we calculated, this is also we calculated, this is everything calculated. So when we have to neglect, when we don't want to neglect, that is a very, very important. And like this problem for weak acid, weak base, I calculated for weak acid. If like this problem come for the base, we can calculate same method. Okay. After this weak acid strong base mixture may be given. Now I given weak acid weak base separately. So what are the possibilities are there here that I want to mention? Already clearly told you that strong acid completed and strong base completed. After that weak acid weak base pH calculation completed. Now if it is weak acid mixture and weak base mixture is given, that time H plus ion concentration is equal to root of Ka1C1 plus Ka2C2. This is the H plus ion concentration, because this is a very important. Okay. Now based on this one problem also we can calculate. If it is base is there, OH minus ion concentration is equal to Kb1C1 plus Kb2C2. First we can calculate the H plus ion concentration, later we can calculate the pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. Okay. So now based on this one problem is, then you may confuse this, what is this? For example, Ha1 is ionized into H plus A1 minus. For this we have Ka1 and its concentration is C, therefore C1. And Ha2 is there, then it is ionized H plus A2 minus. For this we have Ka2 and its concentration is C2. Therefore for this we have C1 alpha square minus 1 minus alpha, and for this C2 alpha square by 1 minus alpha. Like this we have. Therefore we got this formulas. Now the question is 0.1 Ha1 Ka value is given, 0.2 Ha2 Ka value given, and calculate the H plus OH minus pH A1 minus A2 minus also. So question is 0.1 Ha1, its Ka1 value is equal to 10 power minus 5. 0.2 Ha2, its Ka2 value is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 5. Okay. Then what we have to calculate? Calculate the H plus OH minus. Calculate H plus OH minus concentration, not required here, and pH. If you calculate pH means pOH automatically you can calculate. Along with this A1 minus concentration also and A2 minus concentration also we have to calculate. Now how to calculate this? If it is ionized like this, what is the H plus ion concentration? That is only A1 minus concentration. If we calculate the H plus concentration, then this is only the A2 concentration. Then the first one is we will calculate H plus ion concentration. So for this H plus ion concentration, one minute. See, first one is Ha1 ionized into H plus A1 minus C dash dash T equal to 0, T equal to T equilibrium times C minus C alpha. C alpha, C alpha. This is very clear. But for this, H plus AN concentration is equal to, what is the formula? H plus AN concentration is equal to Ka1 C1 plus Ka2 C2 roots. Now consider H plus AN concentration. How to calculate? Ka1 value 10 power minus 5. C value is, first one 0.1 means 10 power minus 1 plus Ka2 4 into 10 power minus 5. This is concentration 2 or 0.2 roots. This is. Now this is 10 power minus 6 plus this will be 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 6, 2 into 4, 8, like this. Then 1 plus 8, that is 9. This is 10 power 12. Then this value is 3 into 10 power minus 6. Then we know that H plus AN concentration. Now pH is equal to, what is the negative logarithm of H plus AN concentration? That equal to negative logarithm of 3 into 10 power minus 6. That equal to 6 log 3 value is 0.4771. I want to write 0.5. Therefore I can write 6 minus 0.5. 6 minus 0.5. Then how much is 5.5? Clear? Therefore answer is 5.5. Otherwise, exactly if you want to calculate like this, calculate log 3 plus minus log 10 power minus 6. Then this is minus 0.4771. This is plus, because minus into minus plus, this 6 log 10 value 1, therefore 6 into 1, 6 minus 0.4771. This is roughly 0.5 and this 6 minus 0.5, 5.5. So this is the H plus AN one minute, anywhere I did mistake. 9, 10 power minus 6. So 10 power, sorry. So like this mistakes we can do. So what mistake I did here? Because mistakes, if you observe, then it is easy to get the good marks in the competitive exam. Because here in addition, what you have to do? Take the common. Then what I have to take the common? 10 power minus 6, 1 plus 8 I have to take the common. See, if you not observe, then answer will goes wrong. Then now this is 9 into 10 power minus 6 root, this is 3 into 10 power minus 3. Then now H plus AN concentration, this is 3 into 10 power minus 3. Then pH is equal to negative logarithm of 3 into 10 power minus 3. Then if you apply this is direct this 3 minus 0.4771, otherwise consider 0.5, then 2.5 is the answer roughly. So H plus AN concentration I calculated here, and after that then you have to calculate the OH minus AN concentration. How to calculate the OH minus AN concentration? Like this. H plus AN concentration we know. Then 10 power minus 14 by 3 into 10 power minus 3, this is cancelled. Then 1 by 3 into 10 power minus 11, and this is 1 by 3 means 0.33 into 10 power minus 11. This can be represented 3 into 3 in 3.3 into 10 power minus 12. So this is OH minus AN concentration. So H plus AN concentration completed, and OH minus AN concentration, pH also completed. A1 and A2 concentration we have to calculate. So according to this, A1 concentration is A1 minus concentration is equal to C alpha, and A2 concentration is equal to C alpha. Then I am giving the hint for you, then you calculate the alpha and substitute here. Then if I calculate this, will go length, already you know the formula, then substitute and you will get the answer. But this alpha is not that much easy, just that you think and calculate. So now, like this problem will ask, when mixture of acid and base, mixture of weak acids are given. So two weak acids in this mixture, HA1 plus HA2, like this. Okay, and if base also given, same formula. That time here we have to write OH minus. Next, after this one, if one weak acid and another is strong acid is mixed, then what is the pH? This type of questions are only important for competitive exam. PUC exam purpose, what I taught in the last classes: strong acid, strong base, and weak acid, weak base. Like this mixture of acid, mixture of bases, mixture of weak acid, strong base are very rare. So now I will take one example for weak acid and strong acid. In this case, pH of weak acid and strong acid mixture. Now consider weak acid is HA, this will be ionized into H plus plus A minus. Strong acid is considered HCl, ionized into H plus plus Cl minus. Now this is in one reaction vessel. When H plus ion concentration increases, you know that according to Le-Chatelier's principle, then reaction shift toward the backward, because product concentration increase means reaction shift toward the backward. So now reaction towards which direction? Backward. When it form backward, then HA is formed. And when HA is formed, then HA is very least ionized form. When it is least ionized, then this is only completely ionized. Therefore, when like this condition is given, H plus ion concentration is equal to concentration of strong acid only we have to consider. Otherwise, we will not calculate. If you mix both, then you will not calculate. We have to neglect this. Alpha is very less, because according to Le-Chatelier principle, reaction moving toward the backward direction. So keep in mind this formula we have to follow, and based on this we can calculate. And in this case, this HA concentration initial is equal to HA concentration at equilibrium. Why? Some student, what they will think, after some time this will be dissociated in like HA ionized into H plus plus A minus, this is C dash dash, C minus C alpha, C alpha, C alpha. Then anyway this value is smaller than this we are considering, but the case is due to Le-Chatelier's principle and this reaction shifts the backward and the dissociated form is very negligible, then we have to consider both are equal. Okay, and one more thing, A minus ion concentration is, what is that here? A minus ion concentration is C alpha, but H plus ion concentration is not C alpha, because this H plus majorly comes from which one? Strong acid. That's why concentration of strong acid only you have to take. Based on this one problem we can calculate here. Calculate the H plus ion concentration, H ion concentration, OH minus alpha, and pH of a solution containing 0.1 of acetic acid, K1 10 power minus 5 and 0.1 m HCl. So what we have to calculate here, question is calculate H plus ion concentration and OH minus, if possible that also calculate, CH3COO minus and H plus completed, A minus means this is completed, and pH alpha for acetic acid Ka is equal to 10 power minus 5 and having 0.1 m of HCl. Now according to this formula, H plus ion concentration is equal to HCl concentration, that equal to 0.1 mean 10 power minus 1 m. Okay, molarity is equal to normality for HCl, therefore directly we can take, then pH is equal to negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration, that equal to negative logarithm of 10 power minus 1, that equal to 1 pH when OH minus is there. So H plus ion concentration 10 power minus 1 mean OH minus ion concentration is how much? 10 power minus 13. Then POH is how much? 13. 13 plus 1, 14. Then pH plus POH is equal to 14. Already we know that pH plus POH is equal to 14. This is 1, this is 13, that equal to 14. Anyway, that is correct answer. Next one. What are the calculation completed here? H plus completed, OH minus completed, pH completed. Then we have to calculate the alpha. Alpha, how to calculate for this one? Where's the question? We will calculate. First we will calculate this, because already we know that this type of this acid CH3COO H ionized into CH3COO minus plus H plus. This is C and dash dash at T equal to 0 time, T equal to T equilibrium time. So T equal to 0 time, T equal to T equilibrium time, C minus C alpha, C alpha, C alpha. Then CH3COO minus ion concentration is equal to C alpha. Its concentration, I think concentration of CH3COO minus, I forgot to give here in this question, for 0.1 em of acetic acid. Now acetic acid concentration we know that, then acetic acid concentration we have to write, because this concentration belongs to, this C belongs to acetic acid, not belongs to HCl. Therefore 0.1 alpha we don't know. If alpha we know, then we can calculate the acetate ion concentration, but we don't know. Then what we have to do? Then we have to follow this formula. Then Ka is equal to H plus ion concentration, CH3COO minus ion concentration, and CH3COOH concentration. Now this value should be at equilibrium. Whatever value you are putting, that should be at equilibrium value. So H plus ion concentration already we calculated how much? That is 10 power minus 1. Because H plus ion concentration is coming from water, HCl only, therefore we have to put 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 1, this concentration is 0.1 into alpha, then 0.1 into, otherwise this can write 0.1 also better, 0.1 into alpha. And we know that acetic acid concentration at equilibrium and initial is equal, initial and equilibrium is equal. So this and this concentration is equal. This is 0.1 already represented here, then here also this is 0.1, and Ka value is how much given in the question? 10 power minus 5. Then it is 10 power minus 5. This is cancel. Then this is cancel, mean minus 4. Then alpha is equal to 10 power minus 4. So alpha also calculated, and we have to calculate now which one? Acetate ion concentration. Then 10 power minus 1 this is, and alpha is 10 power minus 4, then total 10 power minus 5. So this is the acetate ion concentration. So based on this we calculated the all given term. This is everything calculated. Alpha is 10 power minus 4, pH is 1, acetate ion concentration 10 power minus 5, OH minus ion concentration 10 power minus 3, H plus ion concentration 10 power minus 1. So everything we calculated from this problem. Okay. So this is which one? pH of weak acid, strong acid mixture. Same type of explanation for pH of weak base and strong base mixture. So I am always explaining here maximum with respect to acid, then same apply for the base also. So I hope you clearly understood this. Now what are the possible conditions are that I want to write their formulas. pH of 1 strong acid pH is what is that? H plus ion concentration is equal to normality of acid. Then you can apply the pH formula, that is negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. Next, second one is mixture of strong acid. So this formula is not given, maybe H plus ion concentration is equal to normality of mixture of acid. For this, N1 V1 plus N2 V2 by V1 plus V2, already you know in the first chapter. Then third one is weak acid. For weak acid formula, what is that? H plus ion concentration is equal to C alpha, that equal to root of Ka into C. Otherwise pH is equal to what is it? Half of pKa minus log C. Like this formulas are there. And next, fourth one is mixture of weak acids. Mixture of weak acid formula, what is that? H plus ion concentration is equal to Ka1C1 plus Ka2C2. Like this formula is that. This H plus we can apply into this formula. Next, fifth one is mixture of weak acid and strong acid. For this now only I told you that these are the formula. H plus ion concentration come from the strong acid, concentration of strong acid. Next, this is a formula for pH calculation. Only pH calculation purpose only I am giving formulas. And same thing we can apply for base. Here OH minus, then here normality of base, here OH minus normality of mixture of base, then N1 V1 plus N2 V2, same formula. Then here OH minus is equal to C alpha, Kb into C, then here Kb remaining same. Then mixture of weak bases, OH minus is equal to Kb1 C1 plus Kb2 C2. So don't read this one, whatever I am explaining that you have to note on your notebook. And mixture of weak base and strong base, that time OH minus ion concentration is equal to concentration of strong bases. So these formulas are very, very, very important. So I hope this you understood. Now this is only I not explained. Now I given this formula when mixture of strong acid, same applicable for mixture of strong bases. That time base word is given, mean keep in mind you have to write OH minus. If weak is there, mean Kb you have to write. If acid is there, Ka you have to write. This is only the difference between the acid and base. Now polyprotic acid. Before going to explaining polyprotic acid, what is the relation between this Ka and Kb? So relation between Ka, Kb and Kw. Keep in mind this is NH4 plus is acid. This is react with the water. This will be convert into what it convert? NH4. This will be given to this acid, therefore this will be converted to NH3 and H3O plus. This is given H plus to this. Therefore here Ka is equal to 5.6 into 10 power minus 10. then NH3 plus water. This will now NH3 react with water. In this case, this is acid, this is base. Acid donate a proton to this one, then NH4 plus, and this is OH minus. For this base means this is Kb, then it having 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. Okay, 1 minute, because these values are important, that value I have to discuss. So 1.8 into 10 power minus 5, correct one is there. Now keep in mind, this is cancelled, this is cancelled, same is there. Now H2O, 2 H2O, 1 1 2 2 H2O. This will be give H3O plus plus OH minus, and this is already we know that ionic product of water. This can be represented as Kw. This Kw, and in equilibrium, when final equation we got from the 1 and 2, then these two should be multiplied, Ka into Kb. This value is 5.6 into 10 power minus 10 multiplied with the 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. Therefore, Kw is equal to 5.6 into 10 power minus 10 multiplied with 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. You multiply and do this, then you will get the answer is 1.0 into 10 power minus 14. So now based on this, what you got here, Kw is equal to Ka into Kb. Otherwise you can write like this also, 10 power minus 14 is equal to Ka into Kb. Now we can apply the negative logarithm on both sides for this equation. Negative log of Kw is equal to negative logarithm of Ka into Kb. Okay. Now this is negative logarithm of Kw is known as the pKw, already given in the pH calculation where I introduced the pH concept. There I given this one. So now negative logarithm of Ka plus negative logarithm of Kb. Negative logarithm of Ka is known as a pK, and negative logarithm of Kb is known as a pKb. So this is the relation. But we know that pKw, because Kw is equal to 10 power minus 14. If you apply the negative logarithm, Kw is equal to negative logarithm of 10 power minus 14. Therefore, this can be represented the pKw, and this is represented 14. In this case, we can write that to 14. Therefore, pKa plus pKb. Once again, I am writing pKa plus pKb is equal to 14. And similarly, pH plus POH is equal to also 14. Already we did this one. Okay, remaining we will continue in the next class.